Welcome to Benefits of Channel. Today we will discuss broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that packs a nutritional punch. It's not just any green veggie, it's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. This humble vegetable is a true superfood. This green veggie is a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in vitamins C and K, it supports your immune system and bone health. Broccoli is a good source of fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you full longer. It is low in calories, making it a perfect addition to any diet without the guilt. Add broccoli to your plate for a healthy choice. It's a simple way to boost your meal's nutritional value. Broccoli is easy to prepare. Just wash, chop, and cook it to your liking. You can eat it raw, steamed, roasted, or stir-fried. Each method brings out a unique flavor and texture. Its versatility makes it a great addition to any meal. From pastas to soups, it fits in perfectly. Try it with a dip, in a salad, or even in a hearty soup, or as a side dish. No matter how you serve it, broccoli is a delicious and nutritious choice. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. This green vegetable is packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health. It is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and helps protect the body against infections and diseases. Vitamin K in broccoli is important for blood clotting and bone health. It plays a crucial role in helping wounds heal properly. Folate, another essential nutrient found in broccoli, is crucial for cell growth and development. It is especially important for pregnant women as it supports fetal development. Broccoli is a good source of potassium, which is vital for maintaining proper heart function and muscle contractions. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and related health issues. It also contains magnesium and calcium, which are important for bone health. These minerals work together to keep your bones strong and healthy. Adding broccoli to your diet is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. Whether you eat it raw, steamed, or cooked, incorporating broccoli into your meals can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Broccoli is your immune system's best friend. Vitamin C in broccoli helps fight off infections. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Broccoli also contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have been linked to immune-boosting effects. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may enhance immune function. So, load up on broccoli to give your immune system a fighting chance against illnesses. Section 4. Happy Gut, Happy Life. Broccoli is a gut-friendly vegetable that promotes digestive health. Its fiber content aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Broccoli is also a good source of prebiotics. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and even better mental health. So, eat your broccoli for a happy and healthy gut. Section 5. Broccoli for a healthy heart and beyond. Broccoli is a heart-healthy vegetable that can help lower your risk of heart disease. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it supports overall cardiovascular health. Its fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels, aiding in the prevention of plaque buildup in arteries. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to reduce blood pressure and protect against artery damage. This powerful compound is being studied for its potential to improve heart health. Studies have linked broccoli consumption to a lower risk of certain types of cancer. The antioxidants in broccoli help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. While more research is needed, the potential anti-cancer properties of broccoli are promising. Including broccoli in your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall health and well-being. Section 6. Embrace the power of broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse with a wide range of health benefits. From boosting immunity to supporting heart health, this versatile vegetable deserves a place on your plate. Its abundance of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants makes it a true superfood. So, embrace the power of broccoli and enjoy its delicious flavor. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video. Incorporate it into your diet today and experience the difference it can make.